Hello students, this is Akshita, your educator, and I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. As we know friends, Global Online platform has launched a complete course for upcoming CTET examination 2023, and in this particular course we have started up with a series where we are discussing the previous year question papers of mathematics paper 1 as well as paper 2. In today's lecture we'll be talking about the question paper of 5th January which was conducted online, with the detailed solution will be discussed in today's lecture. For the Central Teacher Eligibility Test, complete course has been launched by Global Online platform for paper 1 and paper 2, and if you want to get enrolled to the course, you can download the Global Online application from the Play Store, and you can contact us on this given WhatsApp number for the enrollment of the course. Global Online application is available on the Play Store, from where you can install the application. Once installed, open the application, you will find such type of interface where there is an icon named as store icon. Click on it, you will move to the page called as My Courses, and in My Courses there is a search tab where you can type CTET. Once you will type CTET course, along with the fees will be displayed downwards, and hence you can get enrolled to the course. Without any further ado, let us begin with the lecture. The first question of today's lecture is they're asking us to find out the sum of the 7 even consecutive even numbers is given, okay, that is equals to 98. We have to find the third number in this order. Option given here are 12, 14, 16, 18. First thing, we know what are the even numbers. Even numbers which are divisible by 2, and consecutive even numbers, it means that the numbers which are going to come one after another, that is consecutive even numbers. Okay, so for example, if these are the 7 even consecutive number where the first number is x, the second will be x plus 2, the third will be x plus 4, next x plus 6, then the number will be x plus 8, then it will be x plus 10, and then is x plus 12. So these are the 7 consecutive even numbers we are considering over here. In given question, they have given a summation of all these, that is x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 10 plus x plus 10 over here, and then x plus 12. They have given the summation of the 7 consecutive numbers is equals to 98. Consecutive even numbers. Okay, so there are total 7x over here, so I'll take these as 7x, summation as 7x, plus 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 6 is going to be 12, 12 plus 12 is going to be 24, 24 and 18, this will give me 42. So 42 is equals to 98. So simply 7x is equal to 98 minus 42, this will give me 56. So 7x is equals to 56, then x is equals to 8. Okay, now we got the value of x. We can simply find the value of the third number in this order. What is the third number here? This is the first number, this is the second number, and the third number is x plus 4. Hence x plus 4 is equals to 8 plus 4, this will give me 12. So the third number in this particular order is option number A, that is 12. Moving on to the next question. In question number 2, they're talking us about how many total packets of 3 by 4 kg can be made from 51 2 by 3 kg amount of sugar. Okay, so total amount of sugar is given 51 2 by 3. So let me convert this. Okay, we can write 51 2 by 3 as 3 into 51 plus 2. Yes, we can write like this. So divided by 3. So 51 into 3 plus 2, this will give me 155 kg, 155 upon 3 kg. So I have simply converted the mixed fraction into the complete fraction. Okay, proper fraction. So here 51 2 by 3 is equals to 3 into 51 plus 2 by plus 2 by 3. Here I'll get the whole packet as 155 by 3 kg. Now what we are doing is, basically we have a large packet which is of 155 upon 3 kg. Now we are actually going to make small packet by inserting this particular material in those small packets, and each small packet is of 3 by 4 kg limit. It means one packet's limit is equal to 3 by 4 kg. So how many such packets can be derived out of 155 upon 3 kg is the question. I hope you have understood the question, that one packet in one packet we can add, for example, 3/4 amount of the sugar, 3/4 kg of the sugar. So how many packets are required? Question mark packets are required to fill up 155 upon 3 kgs is the question. So simply cross multiply it. This will give me 155 upon 3 into 1 packet is equal to question mark into 3/4 kg, right? So this will give me 155 upon 3. This is in multiplication. When I take this on this side, that is on the left hand side, this will go in division, that is equals to 155 upon 3 divided by 3/4. Can I write this as 155 upon 3 into 4/3? Yes, this was in division. I have simply made the numerator converted into denominator, denominator into numerator by changing the division sign into multiplication. So here the answer will be 155 into 4, right? This will give me 620, yes, upon 9. 3 3s are 9. So this will give me 68. 68 such packets, 68 packets are required to fill 155 upon 3 kg of sugar. So correct answer for the given question is option number B. Moving on to the next question now. Bimal brought a packet of candies on his birthday. Okay. He gave 1/3 of the candies to John, 1/4 to Radha, 1/5 to Sushmita, and 1/6 to Miku. He ate all the 6 remaining candies. So how many candies were there in the packet? So I do find a kind of maybe a typing mistake, or I don't know, this was asked exactly the same options were given in the exam or not, but there is a kind of correction over here. That is, here option B is not 20, actually the option B should be 120. Okay, the option B should be 120, but even I could see few of the question papers where 20 is the option. I'm not sure about it. Okay, but let us just solve the question. Okay, whatever may be the answer. So question is, Bimal is having certain candies. We don't know what amount of candies that person is having, Bimal. Okay, now he started distributing the candies, of which 1/3 of candies he gave to John. Okay, 1/4 of the candies he gave to Radha, 1/5 of the candies he gave to Sushmita, and 1/6 of the candies he gave to Miku. Okay, and after distributing the candies to all of these 4 members, John, Radhika, Sushmita and Miku, 6 candies were left with Bimal. How many candies? 6 candies were left with Bimal, and these 6 candies were ate by himself. Okay, he ate the remaining 6 candies. So they are asking us how many candies were initially present in the packet of the Bimal. Okay, so here whenever we are solving such type of question, so always consider that the initial amount is 100%. Oh, okay, suppose for example Bimal is having 100 chocolates, it means the 100% of the quantity is to be considered over there. Okay, so this 100% is considered to be 1 unit. It means from 1 unit he is going to distribute 1/3 of the unit to John, 1/4 of the unit to Radhika, 1/5 to Sushmita, and 1/6 to Miku, and so on. Okay, so now from this 1 unit we are going to subtract the quantity whatever he has distributed to John, Radhika, Sushmita and Miku. Am I right? So I have subtracted 1 minus, I have subtracted the quantity distributed from 1 unit. Okay, so I'll do here it as 1 minus, I'll take LCM of all this. Okay, so LCM of all the given amount will be 60. So if I have to convert this 3 into 60, it means I have to multiply by 20. If I am multiplying downwards, then rule is I have to multiply upwards also. Okay, numerator also. So 3 into 20 will give me 60. Similarly 1 into 20 will give me 20. So I have to convert this denominator again in the 60. Then I'll get up in numerator 15. That is 15 4s are 60. In here I'm going to multiply by 12. 12 5s are 60. So in numerator also I have to multiply by 12 again. In denominator I am multiplying 6 into 10, so I have to multiply in numerator also by 10. So it will give me here 10 as the amount. So here the calculation will be 20 plus 15, that is equals to 35. 35 plus 22, that is going to give me 57 upon 60. So 1 minus 57 upon 60, 1 minus 57 upon 60, this is equals to 60 minus 57 upon 60, yes. So this will give me 3 upon 60. So 3 upon 60, 3 upon 60, it means 1 upon 20. So these are what? These are actually the left out candies with the Bimal. It means from 1 unit, from the 100% of packet, these were the amount that he has distributed 1/4, 1/5, 1/6 and 1/4, right, to the people around him. From that 1 unit, the left amount is now 1 upon 20. So this is equivalent to how many chocolates? This is equivalent to 6 candies. This is equivalent to 6 candies because the left out chocolates are 6 candies, as well as the left out amount with the Bimal is 1 upon 20. So this is going to give me 120 candies. Got it? So the correct answer for the given question is option number B, not to 20 candies, it is 120 candies. Okay. Moving on to the next question now. Here they have given us the angles of the triangle are in the ratio. The angles are given in the ratio of a triangle, that is 5:6:7. What is the measures of the smallest angle? Option A is 45, B 50, C 60 and D 70. One thing that we clearly know here is summation of all the angles of a triangle are 180 degree. Yes? If not, then please make a note of it, that sum of all angles of triangle, is equals to 180 degree. We know this. So what is the first angle? Let us consider the first angle as 5x, the second angle as 6x and the third angle as 7x. We cannot consider it as 5, 6 or 7 because this is given in ratio. So we are considering it as 5x, 6x and 7x. This is common multiple. Okay. So here we know the thing that the summation of all the angles of the triangle is equals to 180 degree. So I'll take sum of all the angles, that is 5x plus 6x plus 7x will give me 180 degree. So 5x plus 6x plus 7x is going to give me 18x is equals to 180 degrees. So the value of x will be equal to, 10 degree. Okay, I got the value of the x now. They have asked us to find the smallest value. So 5x, 6x, 7x, this is going to be equal to x into, it means 10 into 5, 6 into 10 and 7 into 10. One angle is of 50 degree, the second angle is of 60 degree and this third angle is of 70 degree. If we take summation of 50, 60 and 70, this is going to give us 180 degree. Okay, so the smallest angle is 50 degree. So option number B is the correct answer. This should be degree over here, not 50, 60 or like that. Okay, so 50 degree is the correct answer for the given question. Moving on to the next question now. Which of the following statement is not correct? Now this question I have already taken in our previous batches as well. Option A is one is a prime number, one is a composite number, one is both prime number and a composite number, one is neither prime nor a composite number. So the correct answer for the given question is option number D, because for that, you should understand what is the definition of prime number, as well as you should know what is a composite number, right? So to be a prime number, a number should have only two factors, and those two factors are, first is the 1 and the another one is the number itself. So if you are not aware of this, you can watch my foundation batches which I have uploaded in my playlist, CTET Paper 1 by Akshata Kadam. You can search the playlist over there and you can watch whatever the videos I have uploaded over there from the foundations. Okay, so even if you don't know what is prime number, what is composite number, or even the basics of mathematics, you can cover up from that particular videos. Okay, so from here, prime numbers definition is that only two factors, not more than two, not less than 2. So 1 is having only one factor, so we can clearly conclude here that 1 is not a prime number, and to be a composite number, the number should have more than 2 factors. Okay, so 1 is again not having more than 2 factors, more than 1 factor, so here it is again not a composite number nor a prime number. So option D is the correct answer for the given question. Moving on to the next question now. This is a different type of question that has asked in our examination till date. So they have to ask us that the shirts in 4 colors, there are shirts in 4 color. The first color is blue, the second is yellow, black and white. These shirts are available in a packet of 5, 10, 12 and 15 respectively. If a shopkeeper wants to buy equal number of shirt of each color, what is the minimum number of packets of the different colors he should buy? Okay, so if we look at the question, we can clearly see that we have to find the minimum number. Okay, we have to find the minimum number. Just give me a minute. Okay, so I'll write over here. So the total number of blue shirts the shopkeeper is having is packets is 5. So the t-shirts with blue color are total 5 packets. T-shirt with yellow color packets are almost 10, I guess. Yes, 10 packets of yellow t-shirts, 12 packets of black t-shirts, and white t-shirt packets are total 15 packets. Okay, so these are the number of packets of t-shirts of each color given here. So they are asking us that how many, or if the shopkeeper wants to buy the equal number of t-shirts, that is equal number of blue, yellow, black and white, so what is the minimum number of packets of different color he should buy? These are the total number of colors that are actually varying in each packet. So here we can clearly see that we have to find the minimum number, so hence we have to find here LCM. We have to find the LCM. So simply the LCM for 15, 10 and 12 and 15 will be 60. How come? One thing I'd like to tell you, I'll share a tip over here, that whenever we are finding an LCM, one thing that you can do is start reading out the table of the largest number possibly. Okay, so if we start reading the table of 15 over here, 15 is the largest number. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75. I'll write till here only. So evaluate each number in the table, that whether this particular number is coming in the table of rest of the numbers or not. Okay, it means we have to find the least number that is going to come in the table of all these 3 numbers. What does it mean? For example, let us consider the first number here, 30. Now 30 is a number which comes in the table of 5, which comes in the table of 10, which comes in the table of 15, but it does not come in the table of 12. Let's move to the next number, that is 45. Now 45 again, it comes in the table of 5, it does not comes in the table of 10, it does not comes in the table of 12, it comes in the table of 15. Next number is 60. Now 60 is a number which comes in the table of 5 as well as 10, as well as 12, as well as 15. So this is a number, this is the least number, okay, least common multiple which is going to come in the table of all the 4 numbers. Hence we can conclude that the LCM for all above 4 numbers is 60. Got it? So here the LCM is equals to 60. I hope you have got it. So simply just read out the table of any given largest number over there. Now this is not possible for all the numbers, at least it's not possible for the number above 25. Okay, so I would recommend you that always remember the tables at least up to 25. So that will be helpful for you, that you can make just a minor calculation and you can calculate the LCM over there. Okay, they are not asking us the method to calculate the LCM. You should just know that how LCM is coming over there, right? Okay, so here I have just written down the table of 15. So 60 is a number which is coming, 60 is the least common number, we can say, that is least common multiple that is going to come in the table of all the given numbers over here. So the LCM for the given numbers is 60. Okay, so here LCM is equals to 60. Okay, so 5 into how much will be 60? 5 into 12 will be 60. 10 into 6 will give us 60. Similarly 12 into 5 will give me 60 and 15 fours will give me 60. Okay, so here 12 plus 6, 5 and 4, these are the total number, that is blue. How many blue t-shirts are required? Blue t-shirt should be 12, that is 12. Yellow t-shirts 6 packets. Similarly black 5 packets and white is 4 packets. So these are the total number of packets required so that the shopkeeper can buy the equal number of t-shirts. I hope you have got it. First we have calculated the LCM and then we got the numbers. Okay, so moving on to the next question now. They are asking us to identify the quadrilateral, question out of geometry. Okay, and they have given as a property. The first property is I have two lines of symmetry and all my angles are 90 degrees. So these are the two properties. Based upon these two properties, you have to find which of the following is the given quadrilateral, okay, with the properties. So if we see the first option, that is square. So square is a square is having four lines of symmetry. Four lines of symmetry, not two lines. All the sides are equal, so it is having four lines of symmetry, okay, or there are four symmetrical lines in case of square. Okay, so here the first option is going to be eliminated because we want two lines of symmetry, but square is having four lines. If we look at the rhombus, rhombus is having two lines of symmetry, but it is not having all the angles which is equal to 90 degree. In case of rhombus, not all the angles are 90 degree. Please make a note of it. There are two lines of symmetry, no doubt, but all the angles are not 90 degrees. So this option is also eliminated. Moving on to the next option, that is rectangle. So rectangle is a shape with two lines of symmetry, that is, it is a quadrilateral with two lines of symmetry, as well as all the angles in case of rectangle, all the angles in case of rectangle are equal to 90 degree. This is 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, and these are the two lines of symmetry over here. These two lines are going to divide the rectangle into equal parts. Got it? So moving on to the next question. So the correct answer for the given question is option number C. 18 squares of side 2 cm can cover a currency note. How many squares are required to cover such notes? For example, this is one currency note. Okay, I'm not able to draw it properly. Okay, just try to understand. So 18 such squares are required to cover. For example, this is the currency note, and to cover this currency note all over, we are requiring how many squares, sir? For one currency note, we are requiring 18 squares. So how many such squares are required to cover 3 currency note? A very simple question. Take a cross multiplication. 3 into 18 will give me 1 into question mark. So the correct answer for the given question will be 18 into 3, 54. So to cover 3 such notes, 3 such currencies, we are going to require 54 squares. Okay, for one currency, 18 squares are required. For 3 such currencies, we will require 54. Very simple paper it was. Okay, moving on to the next question. 5 students measured the length of their pencil using a scale, and the result, using a scale, and the result were as follows: 15.5 cm, 12 cm, 18.8, and 9.7 cm and 7 cm. We have to calculate the average length of all the pencils. Now here, what is given? The length of the pencils of the 5 students have mentioned over here. Okay, we have to calculate the average. We know the formula for average is equals to sum of observations divided by total number of observations. Am I right? So what are the observations over here? 15.5 centimeter plus 12 centimeter plus 11.8 centimeter plus 9.7 centimeter plus 7 centimeter divided by how many observations are there? Means how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, divided by 5. So summation for all this is going to be 56.0, that is 56 upon 5 centimeter. So this will give me 11.2. Yes, am I right? Yes, 11.2 centimeter. Got it? So the correct answer for the given question is option number D. So one mistake that students can do here is, now in this particular question, all the measurement of the lengths they have given in centimeter. What if they have given one in meter or another one in millimeter? At that time, you have to convert the units in a single unit. It means that whatever the summation we are going to do for any given value, always the unit should be same. Whenever we are practicing addition, please make a note of it. Whenever we are practicing addition or whenever we are practicing multiplication for any given length, any given mass or any value over there, the unit should be same. If the unit are not same, we cannot do the addition or subtraction. First we have to convert it in one particular unit and then do the subtraction or addition. Okay, so I hope you have got this question. Moving on to the next question now. Now this is the question as I have already taken in the previous class. So what is the question talking about? A square is there whose boundary is of 20 centimeter. Okay, so square of boundary 20 centimeter, and from that square, one of the corner we are going to cut of a given shape, that is square, of side 1 centimeter. Then what will be changed in the boundary of the new shape? Option A is the boundary of the new shape will be 2 centimeter less than that of the square. Option B, the boundary of the new shape will be 4 centimeter less than that of the square. The boundary of the new shape will be equal to the boundary of the square. The boundary of the new shape will be 2 centimeter more than the boundary of the square. So first thing, now in the given question, I have already discussed this question in our foundation batch as well, where we are talking about the boundary. Boundary, it means perimeter. Boundary, it means perimeter. Okay. For example, this is that square. Whenever we are cutting a small square out of a larger square, whenever we are cutting a small square out of a larger square, always keep in mind the perimeter is never going to change. Perimeter is going to remain same. Okay. Because why? Because side of the squares are same. Side of the squares are same. Similarly, we are cutting the part again, which is again a square shape. Okay. So if I'll just rub this out, I'll draw a big diagram. Now here all the sides of the square are equal. We know this part. The second thing is, if we start cutting a small portion of a square out of this larger one, now look here, this particular side and this particular side is equal. Side of four sides of all this all a single square are equal. So this is also going to remain the same. If you are cutting this side, if you are cutting this side, if you are cutting this side and this side is also going to remain the same. So the perimeter is going to remain the same. Perimeter is not going to change. That is, boundary of the new shape will be equal to the boundary of the old square. Got it? So the correct answer for the given question is option number C. Next question is, now this is a very simple question where already in our foundation batch I have talked about how to calculate the summation or how to calculate the subtraction based on the fractions. Okay, so I have shared lots of tricks and tips over there where you can calculate without using your pen also. Okay, so mind calculations can be done over here, but here for your better understanding, because many of the students have not watched my tips and tricks, so for that I'll do it by long method. So here 3 by 15 can be written as, now 3 by 15 can be written as 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, that is I can write this as 1 upon 5, yes, plus 7 upon 12 as it is. If I take LCM of this, now I have told you that whenever we are taking the LCM, always read out the table of the larger number, that is 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72. Let us read up to this only. Now 12 is a number which comes in the table of 12 but not in the table of 5. 24 does not come in the table of 5. 36 again does not come in the table of 5. 48 is also not coming in the table of 5, but 60 is the number which comes in the table of 5 as well as 12. So this is going to be our least common multiple. So here 60 is the LCM. So if we are making the denominator 60 by multiplying 5 by 12, 12 5s are 60. So if we are multiplying denominator with 12, so the rule is that if we are multiplying denominator with 12, then we have to multiply with numerator as well. So I'll multiply 1 by 12, this will give me 12 upon 60 plus 7 upon 12, sorry 7 upon 60. So this will give me 12 plus 7, I got something wrong over here, just a minute. This is not 7, because here also we are changing the numerator. Look here, once again I will solve all the question. I am going a little bit fast due to time issues. Okay, so here the LCM came 60, how I have told you. Okay, this is like, you even can take directly, but I am taking it by just simplifying it, that is 3 5s are 15 plus 7 upon 12. So the LCM for 5 and 12 is 60. So to make 5 into 60, I am multiplying it by 12, so upwards also I have to multiply it by 12, plus if I am multiplying here downwards by 5 to convert 12 into 60, I have to multiply upwards also by 5. 7 5s are 35, so this will give me 12 plus 35 is equals to 47 upon 60. So the correct answer for the given question is option number B. Okay, so once again, if you are not able to understand that how I am taking the LCM as 60, you can please let me know in the comment section. Okay, First thing that you can do is just rewind the video and check once how I have done it. If you are not able to solve it, you can mention in the comment section and help you out how to take the LCM. Okay, moving on to the next question now. Kusum plays with her friends in the evening when both the hands of the clock are at 6. This time on a 24-hour clock can be read as. Okay, option number A is 1645, option B is 2015, and option C is 1830, and option number D is 630. Okay, here what they have given is, on a clock the minute hand as well as the second hands are on the 6. What they have told us, both the hands, it means minute hand as well as the hour hand, not the second one. Hour hand as well as the minute hand, both the hands are at a 6. It means the time is 6:30. Am I right? Both the hands are at 6. The hour hand is at also 6 and the minute hand is also at 6. It means the time is 6:30. There are two conditions. It can be 6:30 AM, that is in the morning, or it can be 6:30 PM, that is in the evening. Clear cut in the question that they have mentioned here is the time of the evening. It means this is 6:30 PM. So to convert this into the hour hand, what I'll do is 6:30 plus 12 hours extra. So this will give me 18:30 minutes. So the correct answer for the given question is option number C. I hope you have got the question. Minute hand as well as the hour hand are on 6. It means the time is 6:30. It can be AM or PM, but in question that they have mentioned here is in evening. So just add 12 more in that, we'll get 18:30. Got it? Moving on to the next question now. Which of the following number represents 55,55,555? Now one thing that I have done here wrong is I have not mentioned the option. So please you can write down the option given in the question paper. Option number A was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Option B was 550, 550 and then 555. Option number C is 555, 6 times 5. And option number D is 5500, 5500, 555. These were the options that they have given in the question. Okay, so we have to find 55,55,555. So whenever we talk about the lakhs, here we can clearly see that we'll look at the options. First thing that you have to do is give a comma after 3 digits. Give a comma after 3 digits. Give a comma after 3 digits. After 3 digits. So whenever we are talking about the Indian system, basically startingly we give the comma after 3 digits and then we start giving the comma after 2 digits, right? So I'll give the comma after 2 digits here again. Just a minute, where is my marker? Over here? Okay. After 2 digits, after 2, after 2, after 2, again here. This is something this is going to eliminate because we want 55 lakhs. This is not going to be 55 lakhs at all because the numbers are a lot. So if we see if we talk about option number B, this is unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, lakhs, 10 lakh, 100 lakhs. So if we talk about the international system, this is going to be failed over here because they have asked us in 55 lakhs. Option number B is also eliminated over here. If we talk about option number C, unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 5 lakh, 55,555, but we want 55 lakh, we don't want 5 lakhs. So this option has also got eliminated because they are talking about 55 lakhs, not 5 lakhs. This option is talking about 5 lakhs. Look at the first option now. Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So this will give me 55 lakh, 55,555. Hence the correct answer for the given question is option number A. Next question. What should be subtracted from the sum of 9,599, 5,995 and 9,995 to obtain 9,000? So there is a correction in this question. Let me give the correction first and then we'll solve the question. There is a correction that is here. The number should be 19, that is 19,995. So we have to take the summation of all this. We have to take summation of all this first, and then what should be subtracted from summation of these three numbers so that we get this particular number is the question. Okay, so take summation of 9599 plus 5995 plus 9995. So we are taking summation here. Okay, so the summation will be 9 plus 10, right? 5 plus 5, 10, and 1, 9, 19 carried 1. 9 3s are 27 and 1, 28 carried 2, right? 9 2s are 18 and 1, 2, 20, 25. This will give me 5 carried 2. 9 2s are 18 and 1, 20, 25. Okay, this is going to give me 25,589. So what should be subtracted from this particular number? Okay, what should be subtracted from the sum of all the numbers to obtain 19,995? Let us subtract this number from this larger number. We'll get the value. This will give me 4, 5. That is 5,594 should be subtracted from this number, that is 25,589, to get 19,995. So the correct answer for the given question is option number B. Okay, so this was the end of today's lecture, where we have discussed the questions based upon the previous year question paper. So I hope you have got all the questions.
If you have not got the questions, please let me know in the comment sections, because I am eager to solve all of your doubts. Okay, so whatever doubt comes in your mind, do not think that this doubt is so stupid that if I ask ma'am, so it will like make me embarrassed or make me feel embarrassment in presence of all the students over there. But never think of that particular thing. Okay, always make one thing clear in your mind, that
make mistakes now, but do not make such mistakes in upcoming examination. So this is the time where you have to make lots of mistakes and learn from those. Okay, so that you will be able to solve accurate questions and answer in your upcoming examination. Okay, and score maximum marks. And after scoring maximum marks, once you can text me that, ma'am, whatever you have told me I have done, or I have followed that path and I have scored maximum. So that will be the greatest gift you can like pay to any of your teacher over there. Okay, not to me, but give it to yourself at least, that you have that kind of satisfaction where you have already made mistakes, where you have not make that kind of mind or fear in your mind that maybe I should not ask this doubt to my teacher or to my ma'am or to my sir, so that ma'am will think that such stupid doubts are the students are asking in my class or something like that. Please do not make such mindset of yours. Ask whatever the doubts come in your mind, because this is the point I can realize, because many of the students have left their mathematics in 10th standard itself. Okay, so there is a huge gap between the 10th standard and right now where you are present. So to bridge this gap, you have to make lots of mistakes and learn from those. Okay, so this was end of today's lecture. Thank you for watching it. I hope you are liking the video and my content. If you are liking it, please do like the button, hit like button, as well as share to the maximum students who are preparing for the CTET examination. Comment below in the comment section whatever your doubts are, whatever you are feeling regarding the enrollment of the course, or you have any kind of doubt regarding any lecture or any communication gap is building over there, then you can let me know in the comment section. So we'll make certain changes in our upcoming lectures. Okay, and please do subscribe the channel if you are new to it. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day everyone. Bye.